know if the video is okay because I don't want really to spend time because this movie where they watch is very interesting. This series where they watch, I don't want situation whereby you do miss because when you were missing the series already. I'm missing it already, and I'd already promised I will come live, so I didn't want to. Is it better now? See the skip. Is it still skipping? Or why skip? Why I get network, you know? Okay, Miss K, may I just quickly talk? Why iwe me have man iwe me wa si iwe me no here iwo guna me mure like iwe me with your sexy nose. So guys, we should always learn to, just like if you know soon that January. For those of you who are just coming or just joining for the first time, we had a video before, it was not good, so I had to start again. Hey, not soon with that January, February. That not soon, it has been happening for more than 3-4 years. Just that Imagua and reply. Either overlook when you overlook for more than 2 years. Or make no say must to sa. Okay, those signing back, but ya giving me good me where name wahonu more gwe because me okay sister we ya wa more here ya wa gwe forever wa mwele le gbe mu ari yin won even you back I will come me e wo kan me gwe ke no ari di mwese ni mwese because woman offend on my magege go on less time learn how to push somebody to an extent o make no push him and say una goma gba ha I want to reply we gbe gwan because una continue o money away ni ye gwan it might even be worse than the one who since 2 years. That is why it's always good not to push people to the wall. Thank God my colleagues are seeing it. So yesterday one of my colleagues wrote me and she said, oh well Nana, I know wetin make you the verse. I see your video where you post 2019 Nana Emani people didn't follow up. Emani Bunoma now because they didn't follow up. Since 2019, this person has been bullying me online. Oh, Ben okay bully me online since 2019. They go ya bully me. And ya wa gwan kere wa you me. Maybe enye gugwan. There was a time. My was an argument. My Sharon now we are where something how many years with the industry. So me na do again away. In a way, some people won't go do 15 years in Donya Magani. A Sharon ga agugwan o. Na watana me why agwan before you know it. Ebony the ene ogbenele ya fena. So now it's like the industry, mama, I have freedom to write or freedom to talk anymore. Because the moment you go agwan, you go figi or gugwan. That is why I said guilty conscience makes you feel like every post is for you. There are some posts people make. Oh, so it related kind no, but I just pass because in my figure Google. I don't think every post on Facebook is because of me. Before you know it, then I was very big, I was very fat. Since how many years? Yeah, we have a gwan. When Francis, even Sharon, you have a pin in your talk, or Sharon, we like as oh, you live on. Okay, I'm making no money leave on my say. Getting be almost to go. All those soon that late December through January. I don't know soon. Maybe but coming on live video every day, every evening. Yeah, we live video. But no, forever. What is your problem? Can't you just focus on your life and forget about things? Talk about yourself. Talk about yourself. Do things to make your family and everybody proud. Anyway, I have plans. But I will not come and tell you my plans on social media. I will not come and say it here. Because the moment I say it here, it is no longer plans. It is not public. They are both two P's. One is planned, one is public. The moment I come and tell you, now so I want to go give me. Now so myself I dey come me Joe. Ijo, because of when like, if no like in here, and may God favor you. I don't wish anybody bad. But where because I can't go. My oga will teach me work. You apart from love the one I know. Now Igbo man, I carry me enter movie industry. As at how many years that Igbo man let me this director name not even that about again. Because as more they come, more they come out. More they come, more they come out. Then Messi just there peak. Messi just there peak as at that time. Mame kedok pa mame drive. One asabare ne do na we drive ya kan. The hen na we do maybe. Egeni na we do maybe. The man onya do maybe me kamu wana. No we be genie ya o ne movies. Emu ni ya bungbe ne movies itself. Everybody may not like in life. For the fact according to my sister Ruth Kadiri, all movies in Nigeria are Nollywood movies. Any film, any film done in Nigeria is a Nollywood film. But as soon as you don't come up for Bini, get do any small thing. I wasted my time in Bini. Bini. I don't you know where you are deal where nobody know who where you are. Stop making them feel like Bini, any small thing, Bini, any small thing, Bini this, Bini that, Bini that. I don't know where by your door. You've packed out of Bini. Face yourself, focus on yourself, work on yourself. Because acting is not by talking and reading scripts. There's more to acting. You are in another phase of your life. You need to learn the craft very well. There are some ways where you're at that some directors will not take it from you, except maybe as an asabana mostly, you know, imagine you are Zaya, but they are trying. You understand? Let's focus on yourself and stop any small thing. I could have while I live video. Bini, I was time in Bini. Bini. I was time in Bini. Then do any Bini now where? Then any Bini no where? And then Bini when that case when. Will you even have a headway to move ahead today? On an enemy nata. Amara bring you up for Aqua. Why do I ask Yagmia? Why don't you just leave Bini out of it and focus on yourself? Why are you always bringing Bini? Anyway, are you always bringing Bini to the table? Bini. E Bini that where yeah day. Why we Baba Wala forgive me why I wear it? Oh, go move ahead. A life without nothing in this life that is so big. Like remember why again like a mountain. It is no mountain. The old thing sometimes, oh wow, maybe no mobile chair. Thank you, Miss K. So, even the people when they talk to about Bini, the same people now, if you don't hear you making, when we live video now, where Bini. If you don't hear you making. So what's not the need for all this too much talk? I want to beg you also, Ebony. Gima to be mag me Facebook. Emi and mag Facebook. I that way mag. I might have some things that is bothering me in my mind. I want to talk about. Then if you collect, imagu we guanje. Ya agu we guanje when igbeni we yevani eboede. But trying to think everything on Facebook is about you. Come here, Facebook. I want my Facebook anywhere. In your Facebook. I want my Facebook anywhere. That's to say you still have interest in us. You are still watching. You are still nursing. On an enemy that interest in you we were babima. Epejima we ekpaye vanire but umiekwe. I don't watch you and watch it here. You are watching, you are reading. Don't let us distract you. If not, we'll go distract you. First, better focus on what you go do for Asaba. Not they let us distract you. Because we have the opportunity many you are distracted for. You are distracted for. Maybe we are reading. We are read your lines while you are where I'm coming, where I'm coming, where I'm missing lines where I'm missing lines where. Focus on yourself. Go. You have you say you have a mission according to you. A good woman have a mega already. I have travel. Have a social media. Have a video. I'm traveling. Let your results. I keep telling you this thing. Let your results speak for you. Let your results speak for you. Let your results speak for you. You don't need to put yourself outside first before you know. And then the small talk about Asaba, the day he left for Asaba, it was on my set. He said to me, okay, Asaba. My movie was the last movie he did, though. That was at that time, okay, pa. In fact, I wished him good luck. We prayed with him that day. But mama record them on social media. Ebony Glory, you are very right. Mama record them on social media. It was me. I was there. Austinize was there. It was on the set of one of my movie. They know the title, even my choice. No. Ona hamame we my choice is on my YouTube channel. We made TV. We only area saba. Now wow, that's a very good one. Oh, I know whether that was the Benz. Only now that's a very good one. So Nimaya Edero. I will never forget what he did for me. The small water. My finish a film for na do pay go ni ma ni a pay we go ni. Ona even return the 15,000 naira me we go ni. You know why you dey return the money from your way or you too try? Where we just eat 3 times a day, we dey stay your house, we not even be like say we dey shoot film, and you can't be good person. Now you're set. I want for go Asaba, go find greener pasture. I say, this month, this Asaba you go where they go, so you go, you go make us proud. You very akba kedera ade. Mama, then me post a picture of a blog me don't tetanus. If boga no me, is this boy from Bini? If you go oga neme. If you go oga neme, is this boy from Edo State? In a way, yeah, it's a full blown Edo man. It's a full blown Edo man. So don't always. That's your life. I don't want to advise you on why, but I have rubbish no yata no have to stop here because ima ma we dey to ni maka see in December. Don't wake it up. Don't wake it up. Focus on yourself. Wa onu rebe bore quietly. We will receive it. We will receive it. We are reveted do me are reveted you ba. We are reveted because in my can we already donoro me we lele yane. So any be not a bebore. We are waiting for it. You know, the people go we answer every life. Don't worry, now quietly. Maybe receive it. I mean, I have in a boy. I dey tell you, that's not too correct. To Sandy K and Eve Ike. He left, and we all prayed with him. He said, "I want not Javik, but the team pay me via." But after some time, we said do, on a TV. I read do, on a do 12 me. I still have the video on my phone. On a do 12 me. Why did they go a film again? No, very interesting. And I will tell me what man have coco. We just man have discuss. That is life for you. Coming on live video to insult people, insult their life. Wow, me bogbe my way ya. What's when I wear a van? Got some where I wear any maybe or me bogel me gonna have a live video. And you why time when I will analyze it, me gay. Ya the gay come away gay. Why body? Because ya gay or me ya gay or my gay. I used to watch it. But he married, but avec her mame, and he my very close friend of her mame nuta. I knew very honor. Akpa edo ne we me big girl. I got me do. Me do for. No focus on the side way. You need me Instagram. I as about us in me follow it up, but I don't even follow them because I don't see them as big when we're here. I don't follow them. When they follow me back. I follow Alex Ekubi, follows me back. I follow Ruth Kadiri, she's following me back. I follow Uche Lendu, Uche is following me back. Me lele man lele me. Apart from Almighty Genevieve, all one lele me, and which is understood because she's a queen. You get? Me go away so sako ni haya lele man ni ma hian ni fe ko lele ave vie do me ni lele me fe ko lele yan ma fe ko ma we TikTok video ma gbe be bani. Ya ma ga mo ibi e se igebe ma gbe ma bo begbe. Because we are all celebrities. I keep telling everybody every day. In anything you are doing, provided you are doing it well and it's giving you money. I'm not going to you're buying because I might change result when they don't click high. Where's my way result in my area? It's not okay. Na very boy your tone. Sharon do one. No power, no pane. Aqua we do atari are not famous. Who fame help? My son is famous in too flat. Imaya ginya, but in life, the same mistake any make. It's just like Leo Mezier. At a time, Leo was one of the hottest actors in Nigeria. I have histories with them. One of the hottest actors in Nigeria, and I wanna. No akwero. I keep telling everybody, nobody knows tomorrow. Madege omano wa kwon nia. O ma se won no ma gin ekun mi. We are wa kwon mi na wa ekun mi wa fe kwa face mi amenu fe kwa take care of yourself. Fe kwa deal with ya, fe kwa we mi ya. Yes, you will get an headway. You will get an headway, but umana mi no we. And you just stay put with your mind mi no we. Sabane ge ware ukpa brika oni bella ciao. We malak Edo was frustrating. You stay so much in Edo, but Edo for unuwe. My sister I got over the honor. And they beg up power na wawe. We beg a video power na I gear. And I felt so bad about it though because I mean not they nice. Video ne ekbuwe ge opana wa kewa. We live video with costume room. That's wrong. I'm a costumer. You can't do live video in my costume room. Ubege ni nataga saba enya ma ye wek bese. Ya danwe weko. Wa costume room weko mu live video yo. So sa egmo ari bi okpa yo we o. Again wa chat wa gba no we na video you can't do for you. Or talker do come away na live video you can't do for you. Have you ever seen when they make a film say when I let's go we film say we be yan live video. They even yabo ojo we be yan resetting yan live video de. Amwekpu again mufwa yada. Do mare ne na ma o. Do single girl no ma o. Mare na da fun ya mekpu o kan we buy because of live video. O ma re venu we pa na we ma re ogde no dauje no je soro no neje e manan we fi ge na ma gbeba ma ido jese because a life now we can never check the heart of a human being. Emano wakamu weni ge grad don I wish you were so ni winye so ni oh man dan we again na man hande lule we again na etin society we kenori. You can never tell the heart of a man. Emano we wa figure e weni egbe bani wataga abe me this girl see succeed over yane. No wa helu weni ham we no mede egbe bani wakamu we na nyash na you see miske egbe ba nu we wa pe na akobole lu we nu we wa figure this ones they love me any okwe any ya mi no gbogun awe wi ke yan ye pika o se nu mi na I don't believe on high service me wa like ma wa lele megui iwa ngon wa lele megui yeah I love it more than wa lele megie whereas we call we wa lele megui. Nene sandoka mere na yagui. C'est pain. That's she. Okay, maybe it's pain, but no matter how painful it is, you just shove it off your ass, you know. You let it go. You let it go. You let it go. Out of live video, nana. At least a changing a normal person on a banner. On a can dress, a can with live video la. I want a banner. I'll say today, one of my friends, the man only come out one of him, but one and she was very bad. I'll tell you, I have here. I mean, I know now we are here now because they two was soon die now. We want to wear Vienna now. You know, here guess it. Since it's in your show. Or my you understand. Or because every time, you know, you're going with social media or na omania what you say the do omania we ekpa wo ware. When we no wo mami. Una we mi dama. Omani yen o fige ye wa he na won no ye bomwe. Oko wa ha mama nige wa ha me the girl this boy na juju take away not be juju I y'all love the boy because my so the girl was one of my colleague in my wa no and I see wa calling me we ye wa feel de ona gin de tin ye ro wa ni an to bi en ladian na de nu ladian e ba because what my normal. That's what people are seeing, and it's not nice. Or am I normal? Because every 2 minutes, every time live, I'm a customer. You can't bring your phone to live video in my costume room. Or say another time. Or say another it's a pity anyway. Ekpo is on ground, and very soon, maybe I just pray not die because most of them boom. They are all fighting for Instagram followers. Me wa mo se kakankan with that yeah, I'm so low. You want to watch the video? What you want to see for the video? Me wa mo se kakankan wasaba, but I wouldn't want to mention her name. She's my very close friend and she's doing very well. She's doing very well for herself. We started way back. We have been friends for a very long time and she's doing very well. So, people always see it as 8. They see it as 8. Sometimes I'm not going to me can store my I could make difference. I'm waiting at the store. I was going to go more if so because it means only me now I day your me. But ya wa we yore wa we nerun because he make your we need we baba igwa nerun but so we run ni ya we no make ni nerun say igwa aye force ya nerun o we wa we die me igwa we say because this life you work can say no we are all traders in this life we all came to trade and then my do if all of us will live nobody is remaining on this earth I say na lo that word again nobody be Superman none of us be Superman we not pass God. I'm so sorry. Go social media blog. He did there. MC logo since you want to wash. Say the video don't enter one side. No, it's not fair. You don't. There are some things you don't do because at the end, okay, you want to make the pepper us. Pepper them, voilà les pepper them, oh, pepper. Okay, oh no, pepper ima, no dima. My sister dima rockba, no worry. Asaba don't rockba. Asaba now open trade for everybody. It won't be need to never go asaba before. Now go register where ya. Le zubis le ya with him. Oh, you really adiowa. You know the pepper person. If Charlie no ma when you go na re we or tin I mean now when we wa sasa babana the next 2 months you want wa do wa veleki or bo when I we asabana wa ma o we wa gogo edima the only thing you need to do is focus on yourself that is just it forget about us forget Igima exist we are not Igima exist even all of my sister because my wife exist my dad or Sharon will do what before you know. Maybe do what in UK. Before you know, I did it to what Before you know, classic Gloria with the twimmer. Before you know, things will always go on because we are always planning ahead. You understand? So the moment you put us for mind, that dead night go the thing go dey worry you. Hey, the muma ye ku we wari ma for. Kima yi material we ni je me no kwa kai. Hey, worry egbe we. Don't always want to impress us. Okay, now okay, we can impress him now. We can pepe man now. We are ekpu over mu laja because we want to pepe him. Okay, Miss K saying get the video for our war. So if you want watch am, I go watch am for there. Because you want pepe us now, we want to pepe him, we want dima. Now you dey run am, you know kai. Now let me dey run am. Se ko run eh. Se ko run we big gbo. When yan ji go ya go maku. Eh mi o we go na ya we film. Mana mi go ni go de gbe pa. Ulas udo agwaliwo. Akanuche. Ataya or Sandy K. So all those ones. I look at each other big bo. When you call where you fair know the story. Gimado gwan. Gima wa save ni makawe niji. Ni makawu ni ve December jana ga wa si aye wani. Egado we regbe ki phone ko Francis o we dedegbo ya imia. Udae egbe so udae. Ya wa udae oni gbe mi so ya gben o wa bumere abeg na. And a person will be say I don't want to tell no to. So gawa e chata ni makebe jana gawa close e va na we regbe ki na close e but alu enwe. They use your brain. They pay me say after the stress, after the many years where you don't spend for Benin, you don't work with a lot of people, till now you don't still get that style, you don't still get that class, you don't still get that sense. The thing they get as it be. Well, egba no wan fo. Eri dokai. Eri dokai de we egba no wan fo. Egba no wan fo. But Emma, too much of everything is bad. I'm going to be doing live video. I'm going to be getting your phone. Which fans are you getting updated? Which fans? Fans. Oh, salopwa. Yeah, well, so yeah, Genevieve Paulo said, Genevieve yet to take baby dog. I want to get my fans updated. And Genevieve do lion art. I heard the film when President America. Now my small girl Jemima, and I do Genevieve's assistant for that film. When Jemima tell me how Genevieve slide into her DM, the thing shocked me. I asked her, I said, Jemima, how did you get that role in Genevieve's film? She said, I don't know. She saw my work. She probably saw my work and she slided into my DM. Slided into my DM and she said, can you work with me? And that film will remain that girl's highest movie to work with Genevieve, Peter Doche, Patience Ozokwo, Ngozi Ezonu. How many Fino, Peace, no, Lion's Art. Ama bege imena ze gwale video ni haya again our reset. But with the year say she did set, she did work, but even not work. But a matter here update fans in no way live video de normal fans again. My fans, I'm doing live video every day to update you guys. Which fans you want to update? A fans in all things say where I work where you less where e fancy ro no wegwere emi ya mata e follow us ami e follow us e mani wa me fancy industry na pourquoi I have the video e mani wa me fancy industry na ni ma waje na Genevieve be Genevieve ni ani wa me fans even wa be ni edo self any ye me fans e follow us in ame e mani wa me fans with this industry Genevieve Motola and what they call this woman, Rita Dominic. Those three big those ones where fair come, and those one really get that stardom. So how about give me that sunuba? if you put Genevieve just now, even Mercy Johnson where say she get fans, Sabane girl when votes ban your fan. You better the Mercy Johnson guy here fans. Hey, I agree with Genevieve. And Mercy Johnson is good, sharp, but I prefer Genevieve. The same fans know where I will die for you. I'm your fan. So this life now brain. So now because of your fans, you want to update your fans, they update them in a very right way. You can give somebody your phone to record you, or you can you can do live when you are already on set, not when you're changing your dress. It's not nice. If now you today, now you are Toto, now you person show at Toto today. When we are getting my Facebook is in now. We are at Target TV go set you up. If you no bon la dan wonu ene. But mo po obere mu la dan. Bo rege. E mi ekpo ede oye gbiwo. I don't know who they put red there. I know why I not get time to talk to anybody this evening. But whoever they put red there, they ready here le danger. Hallelujah. So yeah, they very on ayagba makotana. So la go sister. Emi here we do that when I need agba na mi Facebook. Me wagba yo we wari yeton e pi. Oh we dey paint. Na you dey run and no run with the paparazzi. Why run ese? I mean no ma wulele. Why run ese? Where my sister I run things. Do things. I run I do things. Not they run things again. They do things. Not they run up because I run away left for. I run again. I do things. My mom laughed. I see you, Joe. No, I'm not sure say she down. I'm not sure say that one don't see the video, but she goes soon see. On the social media, go soon enter Insta blog. But lucky number is I wear Donny Boon Instagram, a Facebook image. So about na will Insta blog. We got Pepe ima o la wo. Pepe no Pepe ima sene ko. Ima iwa vie. Ize vie no de. Story. Me dead words. Me dead word about where to exist. Mune gbe me mu my sister jono we doc pa we la dia ma kwa we go we that person na from Edo State. And they look kadiri we don't know e ma we ya yo we wa we Francis go fit testify na again Francis na aje ko ya nwi na imesu se park ime gogo igwe anu jekpo we no say we me say anything. The Francis is my witness. Igwe anu jekpo the paro there was one late St. Louis may also rest in peace. So say egmontin yani adomu na weko. That job was with Kadiri and some people. Moya job a pack o we fio. Don't see early morning around as at 5 makpa yo ware ne. You go arrange jackpot. That's it because I was happy girl at least we do we no ima guyo ima dogba vo ege lele yeko ge ori yeko han ya nguna weko. Ima gba ve so ima eme so nguna ni we waje ni we ya pepe ima ya shoeke ya pepe ima ya shoeke director. Eya pepe ma nu ya sheke director la wo sister la ewe rudo a pepe ma ya sheke director ewe bigbo mi daya kin wen ya me eya pepe ma ya sheke director ma la wo ni ma emi na se okwe u need the video why go ga in a video as a video I mama ke director doc power where this is my director wa yo came with live video technology e ki awa volatil la wo no go purpose go dey show us director e ki o la wo Ah, come. Ko pepede. Where to we are was bola lenima. We are wa la live video we pepede, bola pepede mo. Even me manana ngune film be dem me. Igwa me ni gwa lo be life me no important is a film. So one year my even thinking now. When we ngune film wa mu we and congratulations. Yeah, that's it. So it's not bad. No, that changing room, you not work for that live video. You do live video for changing room. Me, I not agree, sha. And that cost to me, I fair. I don't want maybe say na me go put the video for our group chat for our CDG. You know, say we get costume answer a group chat. May not be like say national. Even the which all of them did there. May not be like say na me go drop the video for there. So yeah, that thing where me. Somebody they say me I go sleep. You not sleep. You say me I sleep. If you sleep, I no sleep. I don't delete your comments. I no want curse you. You know, if you see, you know, many times waiting I don't fast for dream. I mean, I do after me go after to make me my live video. Any time you get ni wa ogun amega akoko so on ibugbe dedegbe we that one is dead among the living. Also not Tony because if not what bagay we no sunu dame. So we go after le negbe me ma gbon. We can Eminia o. Go send that for me. Mona go check out for Miss K. War. I wish I would send you the video for 50 euro. No, which kind of 50 euro? So, my dear people, like according to Chief Peace, who de Zuzu? If you Zuzu, you go collect. If you Zuzu, you go collect. The Chief Peace, the paper, we just focus on them. No, at least anywhere, any do normal way. So, why you popular? When they messy, I be yet my proud event. Maybe messy, I be man, we not like 3 times together. Or when I phone number, I WhatsApp event. Maybe Happy New Year, back time matter, or a day birthday, or whatever we been give WhatsApp. Happy birthday, sis, Happy New Year, call New Year day night be a birthday. The same thing with 2 children. Do megwa sasako ema. Cause life in me ya enjoy life in me for my when I do celebrities in me. Yeah, so lagi ma everybody get America. Billboard or America. Where yeah, my billboard. My we claim me go again. No, here that way blood of a no is trending everywhere. Get na fame na we see maturity. Wala wo agima tread with caution and let us tread with care. Let us use our konuche and let us not always feel that any post on Facebook is about you. Some posts are not actually about you. Who the Zuzu you go collect? Who the Zuzu go collect? Oh, if you ever Zuzu you go collect. Ebebo, you are very nina. Avec social media presenter, c'est be actors or IVJ. We are waiting for Ebebo. Why we jere ke wona me bebo riere, me have me be cut riere. Threat to life. A lawyer ravine, a lawyer me no like ezo. But lawyer too like quarrel. Hey, lawyer me, I talk about ravine now we check to life. Evidence, evidence more than 3 or 4 evidence wafon. Oh, Allah, whoa, let's tread with care. And if you are following this page for the first time, well, like, if you have any questions to ask me, please, now it's time for questions and answers. I'm done with what I'm saying. I'm done with what I'm saying. If you have questions to ask me, be free to ask. Say share. What's in the share? If you have questions to ask me, be free to ask me. I have a midnight crew. This is my second page. Now this page I wanted to do live video. That my other page, I go report them. So they on that review. I don't want just to do video for them. I want just grow this one. I not go lose guard. I not go lose guard myself. This page don't take. This one on my costume page. It's been here for long. No, I'm not married, Sosa. Not married though. Okay, follow me for the first time. Thank you so much. Welcome. Sorry, hope I was not too sarcastic, Hope I was not too sarcastic. We're just talking about reality of life and all that. Nobody, I'm not angry with anybody. I've said my piece and I've moved on with my life. But somebody coming online every day to talk about the same thing. It's old fashioned, not old. You want carry some people quite a day where you carry for long. Where you are more like di. More judgment day. Anywhere we my masoni. Anywhere we be my masoni. He said when that's to say the thing really pain you. And I attack not the pain now, not the pain now. It pain you reach bone. Because if you not pay you, what you go make you say, I agree. If you might do right, if you were do right, maybe we will be begging by my waiting and do right. Parana go don't carry the video. Oh, meso awati o ma o wani mana mo phone eyan ewere. Life of Miss Stella, even if she not receive sense, nah, you know, we no gbe ni here man come. So Portable, you never see the video since a video. If you go my wall, Patience is your money. Somebody screenshot the girl and yash put for them. Now so now, Shanshan Bella, yeah man. Where did they worry me? I was swear, you never know me. She say they can't talk with you. I don't know. I know they lie. I don't want to talk about more bebo. I talk on more bebo. Man, I talk about. About we bomb no matter ya. Ije no busy men of one look no no. Very big olokun woman. On look no that. Egwa oba on. Ebe akuye ye o. Akuye ye. Ba be do hon. Para do commencer. Yes, truthful joy is true. Na so na Biatunde no go carry. You know how many people curse am? In fact, for the fact say we no dey play, I no want make people go dey insult. I know say Tunde no those Yoruba, if you buy big bo. Iyeme full stop e. Iyeme full stop ebo yin o yi tegbe o yi balowe gbe. I no wish me Tunde no carry am. But what say we Tunde no ti. Not just wish me Tunde not carry on. Not just wish that kind wish. Tunde not my phone Nigeria ma hon video. Tunde not boyfriend again you me. Wakwen go man agbon ni here be girl ni why Aaron's girl no sha. Aaron's girl no so maybe your market. So on Friday we're going to be doing our food challenge, myself and Sharon Okpame. Now this page now go use for that day. So if you are following me for the first time, please, if you are watching me for the first time, please follow this page. Follow the page so that you get more updates about this page. Miss K will say one go sleep. Now they give me like. So thank you so much, sis. God bless you. Not see you cheesy. This cheesy one down here. When once I go give, I bet not send a gift to there not too. Somebody is asking where she can see the video. So Lobo say why the babe now costume room there now they change their dress now. They're not changing of dress, they everywhere. Oh, every year matter when me now. But so man I change, yeah, wa change we. Iwa mo room ni ya change we wa me. Then iwa mo video live, ya we live video. I want man now, I want here. I go win, no, don't worry, I go win. I go win. I mean, one spice the turkey. I'll put pepper. Where? Shall know if you eat pepper. I'll put pepper. And they give you an expo. Okay, whoever want watch on Miss K say they in war. Robo Safi, I see you, bro. Thank you so much. You're amazing. That's a Robo Safi. You get one of a Robo Safi song where I know for head from beginning to the end. Okay. Money my pie. I'm when my daya. I won't worry, man. I got no son, Naira, Dali, MC Tara, where, if you are going, where, you understand the way. Dali, man, everywhere. Whatever, Omega, baby. What, baby, go in a sweet love song, Gigbe, Robo Safi. Ejeva, Adami, Robo Safi, I love you, Wahonwe. Wahonwe, no one, my boyfriend. Robo Safi, bro, I see you. Yes, yeah. Again, not by enemy, I know you care. Oh, you know, I got me keke, Malele. I will tell me fiete. I kakavoye, me voye, no. I got him a beggy, Imawari, me at him at yet. When he on his say, I got so. A truthful joy. You want to marry me? How many children did you have? Now 2 children I get. 1 boy and 1 girl. How many children did you have? One day final year for BIU University. One day final year for secondary school. Okay, I must have feel like the boss in brain. Hey. Again, if you are born, I got to beggy. When my worry, if you tell when you get on his say. I say, oh, if you see tomorrow, where, if you not born, I am aware. When you understand the way, Dali la everywhere. Whatever, baby. Baby, God. The song so I too like that your song. Maybe I'll do my TikTok video tomorrow. I never do my hair. I make me never even do new TikTok video. Maybe I'll do my hair this week. May I send you the music? Okay, just go Robots I feel. You see, and Robots I feel there, yes, so just go in war. May I pin in comment. And I have pin comments. So if you're not going war, all the music now see for there. It's not too sweet. Now Sharon I do Vixen. Sharon can they jump like a key. Kiki. Okay, be like say we gotta jump. I feel this your comment. No, I too like that song. Oh. And they sing am word to word. If I want sleep for night, I dey always dey get nice songs where I dey listen to and all that. So guys, let's learn to support our own. Then we'll come back to wetin happen for O2 Arena where Chief Priest go talk that thing we talk. Sharon is fine. Okay. The problem is say the only way we'll take solve that problem for Edo. We be say they know they talk down us. They know they do us anyhow. Now if we they support our own. We'll learn to support our own, like to support our own music and all. You go see am before you know people will respect us. But my supporter man, you do. We gba wa mu wala da makagbe yo. Ogi mare awe na gbe yo kekan e meti gbe yo. Come on Zingo challenge all of na dey dance like Ekie. Our mighty we gbe say creative one. Nobody everybody they say Zinga. We want to do another challenge tomorrow. Brasiva's music must go viral. Na not get choice. A new song we newly do. The song na die. I said the song not be die. The song too sweet too. I got song. That one. Tomorrow I go post am. We need to make that song go viral for TikTok. Also no. Makpa yare. Nana me inwima. Inwima meti me 1 million views. Morita mae, una going talk pa o. Get morata o, you're no game akbon. Oh, be this person where they stop this kind. Morata o, no sakai no de o. Oh, yeah, we Jesus. I'll block this person just now. Yeah, I will block her now. Wow. Now the yara. Magbon itawae, magbon takpa o. Yagbon ata o. Yes, we no ge magbon. Yagbon ata o. Kai no de o. Tomorrow evening we'll come promote this song for my page. We'll promote her. I'll do a TikTok video tomorrow. If you're following me on TikTok, please, if you see this song, please do it. Or you do your own video as well. Tears just come out from my eyes. No say anything where God song and they get the way they touching. So thank you so much, Orobo Safiu, my superstar. Thanks for coming to watch me. So guys, let's learn to push our own. Let's learn to support our own. Let's learn to love our own. Because if you are they do love of one, wa heavy bonodo guwa gbe yinwe brasiva. Eyin ade no do guwa gbe yinwe Orobo Safi. Eyin ade wa egbere. Mana ha gbe yinwe ma. My be more a timeline ma yen be bege. Eyin we which kind music be this? E dey hello ya appreciate ma. Okay, thank you so much. Orobo Safi will send you the song. Alright, guys. I don't spend 1 hour for this live video now. Alright, so I'll see you now tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to promote Brother Silva's music on my page. And this song by Orobo Safi also will promote it. I'll do a TikTok video for 3 songs tomorrow. My friend Classic Gloria song, Brother Silva, and Orobo Safi's video. I never do my help. You'll wear this cap, take one. Anyhow, now see me, Mona appreciate me like that. I'm beautiful. I love you all, and Thank you so much. Basiva is going to do a challenge for his song. 10,000 each for 10 people, 100,000 challenge. So if you are interested, tomorrow we'll bring out the modalities and you guys will partake in it. So we'll do a TikTok video. Let us try to make our songs go viral. God will bless all of you. Way they support Edo Entertainment. God bless you all so much. And Mod always they learn to say the truth at every time where we get, at every given time we'll get, because only the truth will give us a headway. I love you all and God loves you more. Pray before you sleep. Oh, wala wo. Why Amina mi ekpe kusinu wa bere we live video we na why a bere ekpe kusi we live video we mina wa nero wa kevi wa honia. All right, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow by the grace of God. Etunsa or say. Oh, this Scott scene. I'm not there with the video. Now the video they Miss K. Wow, Mona go check on there. All right, guys. Yeah, thank you so much, Robo Safi. Thanks for watching. Good night, guys. See you all tomorrow. Bye bye. I love you. Please